Come down slowly, guys, don't just flop. Control the descent.
Cheers, Doc. What were we talking about last night, Doc? Sticking to your knitting?
Sorry, boys.
Touch hold. Engage. Hit, squeeze, and go! Kind of call it full on.
Okay, crouch and hold. Engage.
Hit, squeeze, and go! Let's go, mate.
Go, boys.
Okay, mate. Cool.
Angus.
Now,
Let's go, Black.
Hold your feet. Crouch and hold. Just quietly.
Box.
Engage. Okay, now let's move. Ready? And
Box.
hold, no rose. Hold.
Hold.
engage. And break. Break.
Check out.
Crouch and hold. Engage. And crouch and hold.
Hold that out. Hold.
Engage. Hold. Break. Crouch and hold.
Yep.
Engage. Good boy. Crouch and hold. Engage. And break.
No, hold. Come.
Engage. And pull it up, pull it up. Engage. And engage. Break. There is a reason for it. The reason is when Zag started by himself, his level was there, right? And then as we put more and more people in, it became down to there. And it's just human nature. There was a boy with a wee bit of science years ago. A guy did a study on tug of war, Ringelmann effect, and the social loafers. And what it is bottom line is if Hatch here can grab a tug of war, right, and pull it, he could pull 63 kilos. So you think if you put Woody with him, they could pull 126. That was the test. When he did 8 people together, they got 49% of their potential. You'd think it'd be 63 times 8, but they only got 49% of their potential. And I liken a lot to scrummaging, because quite often when we go to a scrum, there's one's thinking about number 8 play, or I'm buggered, or I've just dropped the ball, or whatever. So what it means is that we all got to put our hand up and say, well, we're not going to be the social loafer. They call it social loafing. That when we come to scrummaging, 8 of us are all in there, no social loafer. We know that it's against us of human nature that when we put more people together, it's easy to drop off. And we just got to say no.